Good morning from the beautiful Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. This video is about a Gate 1 tour that I joined for a South Africa with Victoria Falls itinerary. So this video is all about this particular day of Victoria Falls, and you're gonna see how our tour manager Belinda and Gate 1 coordinated this day. And you'll be the judge and see if it's all worth it or not. But anyway, we were out and about by 5:30, left the hotel, which is Pioneer Lodge, without breakfast, and we're just gonna go back to the hotel, get breakfast, get ready, shower, whatever we want to do before we head out to the airport. So that's gonna be a long day today because today is also the flight home. So here we wake up early because we want to see the sunrise over Victoria Falls, and you can see the sun right there by the horizon. We are here as it opens. 6 o'clock. Boy, our tour guide keeps us in check. She makes sure we get here when it first opens, so there's not a lot of tourists. We do have a local guide / driver the whole time we were in Victoria Falls, and he was very informative, and he showed us all the information we need to know before we started the hike. More shops in here. We're starting our walk. That's beautiful, but I guess we're not going to see that because it's kind of on the dry season right now. There are about 19 viewpoints here in Victoria Falls, but 3 of which with the inn are at the Zambia side, and we are not gonna be going to the Zambia side. We're just gonna stay in the Zimbabwe side. Ooh, what is that?
We're having a mini museum here, guys.
Oh, a rhino.
This is an elephant skull, the biggest mammal. Elephant skull, followed by hippopotamus, a black rhino here, and a white rhino. We have waterbuck, a baboon, tortoise here. There is impala, bushbuck, lion.
Reach number 2. Number 2.
It's okay when you're walking down the steps. If you can't, you stay on top there. Same view on top, same view at the bottom.
Wow. I just missed the red sun. It's so pretty.
Easy peasy.
Viewpoint 1. This is viewpoint 1. Oh. I think so. Yeah, unbelievable. Yeah. Ooh. Roaring water goes down there to viewpoint 1. Anyway, this walk will take about 1.1 miles or 1.7 kilometers, and it roughly about 1.5 to 2 hours, so depending on the pace. Of course, you gotta loop around and come back out. Devil's Cataract. Yeah, this is dry season, so he said water will come all the way down there. Point number 4. I guess that side we just came was point number 3. Oh. Yeah, so that's the Devil's Cataract right there. And this is point number 4. feel the mist. Wow. Wow, look. Can you see the rainbow? Oh, I could feel the mist and the rainbow.
I like this way.
Oh, wow. Next viewpoint. I guess this must be 5. It's not a bad walk, actually. They have like, they said this is, I forgot the stone already. I thought he said granite, but it doesn't look like it.
No.
And again, it's dry season, so it's not wet. I know, that's why he was like, look at this.
It is unique. Neat photo. What a tree.
Yes, the
How
vines.
come it has
The vines.
no, it's gonna go get leaves when it gets rain soon?
Yes.
There's a lot of mosquitoes here.
So number 5, the vantage view. Nah, you can see the fall coming up really big now here. Seven. Did I miss some of the numbers? I'm not counting them. Wow, look at that roaring. Main Falls. It's not a bad walk. It's actually only 8 o'clock.
It's cooler here now. Yeah.
The tree just, I don't know if it's a tree.
Okay, so we'll get out of there.
Look. Oh, is it that a root? Oh my gosh. So tropical now here. I'm gonna keep moving. Whoa. Don't see any flower blooming yet, but it's very pretty. Very tropical now. I guess because of the rain, not rain, from the mist from the fall, you know? So keep this lush and green. Not a very difficult hike for sure. And I would recommend come in for 6. That's when it opens up. And of course, if you want the sunrise, you know, driving through here. I mean, I saw the sun. It's big and red, but it's just a glimpse of it. Our driver didn't really stop for us to take pictures, so I missed that whole, but it's so, the sun was so red and vibrant. Oh well, another time. Yeah. I wonder if that's the fireball. Wow.
Probably is.
It's, yeah, it's blooming.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Point number 9. Oh wow. I hope I could show the rainbow. I see it on my film.
I'm sure you'll be able to see it.
Yeah, sometimes it's just how it, the camera angle. Wow. Alright, this is viewpoint. I just passed the 10 mark. So, landscape still very lush and green. Tropical feeling. $11. This is when the guide told us that if you don't feel like walking further, you can basically turn around here. This is just a little bit over halfway point, and you basically could see the main fall around here, and you can feel the roaring force of this fall. And this is not even the full, during rainy season they fight. You get wet here during rainy season.
Alright, I think I got 1 or 2 in there. Moving on to number 12.
Number 12. Man, looks like you can't have enough pictures. All the mist. Yeah. So I was told this is an island here, so there's no water with that house. But then right above, next to that tree, there should be water flowing down that direction when it's rainy season. Wow, imagine. Yeah, all this tree looks dead, but he said give it a couple weeks, it all should be green. Spring now here though, it's just kind of seems late, huh? But that's the way it is. Since all of these are paved with whatever these stones are, it is wheelchair accessible except for number 2 where you have to, hit the steps. So pretty much it's paved with this little stone all along the path. It might be a little bumpy though, but yeah, you can have your wheelchair here for sure. There's a grassland over there. It's on the dry side here. 13 is dry. Horseshoe Falls. Well,
Okay.
Right, Peter, let's go to the next one. This one is...
yeah, see, this is part of 13, which during rainy season, it's gonna be full of water. Oh, could you imagine? Yeah. Just very little water now. Is this danger point? Bridgeview, Abilene, and Boiling Point. Look at the gorge down there. Water running down. I think I'm towards the end. See a bridge. It's funny how I don't see anybody here. Where'd everybody go? Oh, they just went down there. Okay. I guess you can't go here. It's close. This is the Boiling Point. And then the Victoria Bridge right there. Victoria Falls Bridge was designed by George Andrew Hobson. 198 meters in length. It's a bridge that links Zimbabwe and Zambia. And the guide said that this was made in the US and just built here, put together piece by piece. Now, okay, I guess if you have wheelchair, you're gonna have to go back that direction. You can't go this way, but we're gonna go down. So this is it. We're not gonna go to the Zambia side because we don't have a I don't know if we need a visa or what, but anyhow, yeah, so this is it, and we are given few minutes to go shopping, and we have to be at the bus by 7:45 and get back to the hotel, have breakfast, clean up, and on our way home. It's gonna be a grueling 30-hour flight home, guys. 30 hours. Anyway, so yeah, so I felt like this is a very well organized day. We were here so early that we basically the first few people that was here, and yeah, and get to enjoy the place for ourselves pretty much. Very, very few people, not very crowded. So yeah, I felt like I highly recommend this trip by Gate 1. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, tell me what you think. What is your opinion about this trip? And yeah, until next time, Bye! Look at all of this. The store is closed, but it's open air. Nobody's here to watch their stuff. That is something, huh? They're so trustworthy. Look at this.
Those two giraffes, like
Oh yeah.
touching mouth to mouth, that's gorgeous.
I guess you can buy those stuff, ship it home.